Rule the sky with World Tech Toys' new Aero Missile Hawk. It has 2 missile pods, so you can fire up to 10 missiles. Its tough metal frame and aerodynamic design will help you soar into battle. Built-in gyroscopic technology for extra stabilization. It has powerful rotors, so you can even take it outside. Its remote control has an extendable antenna for extra long range. Missile Hawk also features LED lights on the front and back for low light visibility. It comes complete with a wall charger and extra missiles. Aero Missile Hawk, rule the sky.